My name is Paulina, and the transformation I wish to have is to go platinum blonde. With this transformation, I will feel completely new. I will finally achieve the goal that I want and show it off.
Hi, I'm Robertina. I am part of the Aloxxi education team. Paulina came in with quite a bit of grow out. She's a natural level 6. She had about 2 to 3 inches of grow out. Her mid-lengths had a banding of color from previously that was between levels 7 and 8. Her ends were pre-lightened before, so we knew we had a project on our hands. So before I proceeded with a platinum card, I made sure to mist on a quick little RRX treatment. I mixed 1 part RRX step 1, which is our serum, with 3 parts of water and sprayed it all throughout her ends before I started applying color. In order to achieve that perfect platinum card application, I went ahead and used our ultra lightener with 20 volume mixed with a little bit of RRX step 1. Once Paulina's hair was prepped and ready to go, I started foiling at the nape, working my way up. Once I got all of her foils in, I went through and checked every 10 or so minutes, making sure I was at the level I needed it to be before I applied her base. I used the same formula for her base, which once again was ultra lightener with 20 volume. When she was done processing, we went ahead and rinsed her out and utilized our violet shampoo, which pre-toned her perfectly, got her ready for our next step, which was to apply her dimensional toning. For the dimensional toning, we started with a shadow root. That formula was equal parts of 9V, which is our level 9 violet, and 10AA, which is our level 10 ash, both in the tone series with 7 volume. Those colors just gave her a really good solid base. The second formula I used was just straight 9V. I took diagonal sections very organically and just alternated the 2 formulas back to back. As soon as her toner was done processing, we took her back, rinsed her out, and color locked her.